Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble in Blender, updated. Create a UV sphere, apply subdivision for smoothness, and scale using proportional edit to get an even dome. Add a slight displacement or sculpt detail for asymmetry. Keep topology clean by applying modifiers before shading. This ensures reflections and refraction behave predictably during rendering and compositing for a believable bubble effect. Set up a glass BSDF with low roughness and a transparent shader mixed by Fresnel to mimic thin film behavior. Slightly tint the color and use a layer weight node to enhance edge reflections versus center transparency. Add subtle noise to roughness and a normal map for micro imperfections. These small adjustments create believable highlights and color shifts when lighting interacts with the bubble surface. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use all the time. They save cleanup and fit perfectly in backpacks. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick one up if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Position an H-dry for soft ambient reflections and add a small rim light to accentuate the bubble edge. Use a low noise render preset and enable denoising for clean highlights without losing details. Choose a slightly larger clamping value to preserve bright speculars, and render at a higher sample count if you need crisp refraction. Composite glare and subtle chromatic aberration for a polished, cinematic bubble result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.